Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing the doll from Squid Game. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the face. Let's start with a curve across. Now from both ends, let's bring it down underneath. Then let's curve it out for the cheeks. Now let's curve it down towards the center for the chin. Now to draw the face, I'm gonna zoom in. Let's start with two curves outwards for the tops of the eyes. Now underneath, let's draw a circle. Now in the center, let's draw a black circle. And then another circle in the top right. Next, from the outer corners, let's draw a curve in underneath. And then a small curve on top of each eye, like this. And then a curve on top for the eyebrows. And that's it for the eyes. Now top to the center, and let's draw a small curve for the nose. Now underneath for the mouth, let's draw a curve across. Then the upper lip on top. And then a curve underneath for the bottom lip. And that's it for the face. Now top to the sides, and let's draw a curve for the ears. Now on top of the ears, let's draw a line up and curve it in. And then a curve across at the top to close off the head. Now inside this top section, let's draw some curves up from the bottom. Now top in, and on the top right, let's draw the hair clip. Let's start with a small circle, then a sideways triangle on the right, and then a square next to it. And that's it for the hair clip. Next, let's hop under the ears, and let's draw the pigtails. Let's draw a small curve down and in, and then add 3 small circles on both sides. Now underneath, let's draw a curve out and curve it in. And then curve it back up at the bottom. And let's add a few more curved lines inside and up. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down, and let's draw the body. Let's start with 2 lines down for the neck, and then a curve across underneath. Now for the collar, let's angle it out on both sides, and then 2 curves back in underneath. Now let's start drawing the dress. Let's draw a small line out on both sides. And then curve it down. Angle it in for the sides of the torso. And a curve across at the bottom. Next, let's hop inside, and at the top, let's draw 2 curves down. And a curve across underneath. Now top down, and let's draw the bottom part of the dress. Let's draw a curve out underneath on both sides, like this. And then a curve across at the bottom. Then add a few curved lines inside at the top. And that's it for the dress. Now top to the sides, and let's draw the arms. Let's start at the shoulders, and let's bring it out and down. Now let's hop in, and let's draw another small angle down. And then a curve across to close off each of the sleeves. Now for the arms, let's draw 2 lines down underneath. And then let's add a circle. And then let's add 2 lines inside. Now to continue the arms, let's draw another 2 lines underneath. And a curve at the bottom. Now for the hands, let's draw a curve out. Curve it down for the thumb and back up. Now top up, and let's draw an angled line out. And curve it down and back around to close off each hand. And that's it for the arms and hands. Now top to the bottom, and let's draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down in the center. And then 2 more lines next to it on the sides. Now inside the legs, let's draw a curve across for the tops of the socks. And then a bumpy line underneath. Now top down, and let's draw the shoes. Let's draw a curve across that's slightly longer on both sides. Now from the ends, let's bring it down. Then let's add a curve up underneath. And then close off the bottom of each foot. And that's it for the Squid Game doll. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!